Hi, welcome to COMET Computer Private Limited. I am Ramesh, founder and CEO for COMET Computer Private Limited. So I would like to happy to highlight some of the key points. 15th anniversary celebration offer. Why this offer? Unemployment problem of freshers due to pandemics. How COMET helps to overcome unemployment crisis. Then course outline. Then how to enroll Udemy courses offered by COMET. I am going to explain in next slides. First, we'd like to know 15th anniversary celebration special offer. So I thanks to all our alumni and students, those who support to COMET. So you know that everyone knows familiar with COMET. It was founded in 2006 and now almost we are reaching 15th year. On the joyous occasion, we wish to contribute something for the growth of the students. So COMET gift 4 free Udemy courses with lifetime free access in Tamil language, mainly in Tamil language. So why this offer? That is very important. We all know that pandemics have affected all our day-to-day lives. Many have lost their jobs and are struggling to take care of their family. Like even freshers, they don't have a job. Experience also, they have lost their job. So how to overcome this? So for those who are struggling without a job, we wanted to extend a helping hand and support them for their future career by giving an opportunity to update or match their skills with the IT industry standard and requirements. Then unemployment problem of freshers, graduates due to pandemic. As we discussed earlier, many people who are already working in the IT industry, although having huge experience also, lost their jobs in this pandemics. Why? Because of the knowledge is very important. Then imagine the situation of the freshers or graduates who are about to start their career. Most of them are unemployed and struggling to support their family. How COMET helps to overcome unemployment crisis? So we are thinking this for the past 1.5 years. For this we have created some videos with our experience and supported by our technical team. By learning these 4 free Udemy courses offered by COMET. So what is the objective of learning these courses? Again and again I am saying, by learning these 4 free Udemy courses offered by COMET, any fresher, graduate or experience, they can step into the IT infrastructure domain, or for experienced, they can migrate into the IT infrastructure domain. They can easily get placed themselves into the IT industry with the industry standard skills, because these courses cover from the scratch level of hardware and networking to the latest technology of cloud computing. Okay, what is the sequence of these 4 courses? Based on our experience, based on the industry demand, that is very important. Why industry is not giving an opportunity to any freshers or graduates? Because you all familiar that they need at least some skills to meet the industry standard. They need skill which is required for the industry. That way we have designed this course. One is hardware and networking. In hardware and networking, you can learn about what is hardware, all motherboard, processor, memory, hard disk, features about everything. Then operating system, about any desktop operating system. Then network essentials and applications. Once you familiar with hardware and networking and operating system, you can troubleshoot the desktop computers and laptops. Then next level is, when you say standalone hardware networking is enough, when you say it is a LAN networking, definitely you should have any one knowledge, that is server operating system, Windows Server operating system. There we have covered everything from installation to all services like user creation, group creation, administration, then DHCP, DNS, RAID, FS1MO, so Active Directory also. Apart from that, we are giving a third module is server hardware. Server hardware is very important. You should know how to install OS in the server, how to configure the RAID, how to configure the ILO configuration. You will understand HP, IBM and Dell servers. So when you say operating system, server operating system, hardware is also very essentials in the industry. The next level is you should know the latest technology is cloud computing. So here we are giving Azure cloud. By learning all these 4 levels, I am confident that telling that definitely after learning this course you will be placed in any one company. Okay, I am very much confident. We are very happy to give all these courses. It is only limited offer. We cannot extend this offer only for 3 days. Maybe it may be extended in another 3 days also. Then our executive will explain how to enroll in the Udemy course. How to enroll these courses. COMET offer courses in Udemy also. Thank you. Bye bye.